Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious mango gummy candy. Start by gathering your essential ingredients: 1 cup of fresh mango puree, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin, and 1/4 teaspoon of citric acid for that tangy kick. Make sure your mangoes are perfectly ripe to achieve the most vibrant flavor and natural sweetness. Also, have your gummy molds ready. A light greasing can help with easy removal later. This preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable candy-making process from the very beginning. Next, bloom your 2 tablespoons of gelatin in about 1/4 cup of cold water for 5 minutes. This softens it. In a saucepan, combine your 1 cup of mango puree, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of citric acid. Heat this mixture over medium-low heat, stirring constantly until the sugar completely dissolves. Do not let it boil. This gentle heating ensures a smooth, consistent base for your delicious mango gummies. Once the sugar is dissolved, remove the saucepan from the heat and stir in the bloomed gelatin until it's fully incorporated and dissolved. The mixture should be smooth and slightly thickened. Now, carefully pour this warm liquid into your chosen gummy molds. Fill them evenly, leaving a small space at the top. Transfer the filled molds to the refrigerator and chill for a minimum of 2 hours, or until the gummies are firm and fully set. After 2 hours, your mango gummies should be perfectly set. Carefully pop them out of their molds. If you like, you can dust them with a little extra granulated sugar or a pinch of citric acid for an added sparkle and tang. Store these delightful treats in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week, or in the refrigerator for a slightly longer shelf life. Enjoy your homemade, chewy, and flavorful mango gummy candy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.